back clean from the 4th. Everything is clean, water, clean the kitchen back up, put my roses up. So pretty, right? Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning, and I am up. I started my Sunday reset yesterday. I cleaned up the living room and the kitchen. I redid my bathroom. Today I am making my dog food. Making my dog food right there. And about to make some pancakes. Nice and clean. So the fridge is done. Just gotta go to the grocery store and restock. Got the mop. Everything else is back together, and then I'll be cooking dinner. I will be making some fish and a pot of spaghetti. Alright guys, I'm putting butter on my little garlic toast. Just some butter. I'm going to do some with some cheese. I want some with some cheese. I'll be quick. They're so teeny and cute. I am about to ice my cakes. Let's do the little one first. Alright guys, I am going to slice a piece of the small, cute one. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. Give me my icing.